In problem 14 on the review, this time we want to get this x value and figure out what x is. Right now the x is trapped inside a logarithm, and so in order to get it out we're going to need to change that logarithm to exponential form. However, if you notice from my definitions here of logs in exponential forms, there is nothing else going on. It's just the log, the base, and a number. Right now I've got the log, the base, and my thing here, but I've also got this 3 that's outside, so I've got to take care of that before I can do any solving. So I'm going to go ahead and start. It's 3 times that log, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3. That's going to get me log base 5 of 4x plus 1 equals, here 9 divided by 3 gives me just 3. Now I have the log of a base of something equals another value here, so I can switch it to exponential form. The base as always goes on the bottom, zigzag over to the other side of the equation to get the exponent, and then that's going to be equal to whatever was inside the log, which in this case was 4x plus 1. I still want to get the x by itself, and so I'm going to have to do a little bit of work there, but notice on this side I have 5 to the 3rd power. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, and so I can simplify that a little bit just so it looks a little bit nicer to solve. Now I just need to get the x alone, so I'm going to go ahead and minus 1 from each side of the equation. 125 minus 1 gives me 124 equals 4x. And then to finish solving for x, I can divide by 4 on each side. When I divide by 4 here, that gives me 31, and that will be my solution to this equation.